Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Today, we're unboxing an incredible piece of industrial technology, Migatron's RPS-409A-IS3, Intrinsically Safe Ultrasonic Sensor. This sensor is specifically designed for hazardous locations, and I can't wait to show you what it's all about. Let's get started. As you can see, the packaging is compact and durable, with clear Migatron branding and the model number, RPS-409A-IS3, printed on the front. This ensures you know exactly what you're getting before you even open it. This sensor is approved for use in the United States and Canada, as seen here on the packaging. Now let's unbox it and see what's inside. Right on top, we have the user manual. This contains all the essential information about setting up and operating the sensor. It's detailed and user-friendly, so make sure you keep it handy. Next, we have the wiring diagram. Here, we have the data sheet. And finally, the certificate of compliance. Phew, that's a lot, but all really important to have along with this sensor. So now let's see the sensor itself. Securely packed in an anti-static sleeve to prevent any damage during shipping. Here it is. The Migatron RPS-409A-IS3. First impressions? It's compact, robust, and clearly designed for tough environments. This sensor is certified as intrinsically safe, which means it's ideal for hazardous areas like chemical plants, refineries, dusty facilities, and other explosive environments. Let's take a closer look. The RPS-409A-IS3 is an ultrasonic sensor that operates on analog output, making it perfect for applications where precision is critical. This model features a detection range of up to 80 inches, ensuring reliability even in challenging conditions. Here's the ultrasonic transducer, which sends and receives ultrasonic waves to detect objects or measure distances. On the back, you'll find the connection ports, which are designed to be intrinsically safe and compatible with various control systems. This ensures safe and reliable operation in hazardous environments. Along with the sensor, we have the handy user manual, as seen earlier, which includes details about safety instructions, installation and maintenance, and servicing. Everything you need to set it up right out of the box. So to recap, in the box you get the Migatron RPS-409A-IS3 intrinsically safe analog ultrasonic sensor, the user manual, wiring diagram, data sheet, and the certificate of compliance. A complete package to get you started with this powerful sensor. That's it for the unboxing of the Migatron RPS-409A-IS3. This sensor is a game changer for industries requiring intrinsically safe sensors. In our next video, we'll walk you through how to set it up and demonstrate its performance in a real-world application. So stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Have any questions about this sensor? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.